it work? 300 riders, that's it. 150 start at the top of the North Island, 150 start at the bottom of the South Island, and 7 days later, we all meet in Wellington for the grand finale at Criterium around the Beehive.
My name is Katie and I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. I am an endurance athlete. I'm here at the Tour of New Zealand doing an individual ride. It's been absolutely stunning being here, and I feel really lucky to ride in this kind of environment.
My name is Naresh. I was a project manager in California, but I now live in New Zealand. We started at Cape Reinga 4 days back. And here we are in Tongariro. New Zealand stands up to its name. And with a view like this, who wouldn't want to ride the bike? The scenery has been just stunning all the while.
Yeah, hi, my name's David Tokias. I'm from Auckland. We're at the Chateau in Tongariro at Mount Ruapehu. We're starting with a 77K downhill section, and then there'll be a second stage, and I think it's around 58 Ks or something like that. It's a big day today. It's about 130 kilometers today.
The Peloton parties were held at the end of every stage in the evening. It'd be the riders and their supporters getting together, sharing a few funny stories. We'd have an auction or two raising funds for the charities. It was a lot of fun, and it was just something everyone looked forward to at the end of every day.
So as well as being a race, an official tour style race, there's another side to the Tour of New Zealand, and that is working together as 300 riders to raise funds for a number of needy charities. And what better way to help people less fortunate than ourselves than to race a race like no other in a beautiful country with some amazing people, and at the end of it, come together in celebration of all the good work that will come from that race and helping so many needy charities.
Bloody awesome. Bloody awesome. Yeah.
Absolutely spectacular.
Welcome. It's the doggies!
We all know that New Zealand is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The 2017 Tour of New Zealand gives you an opportunity to truly experience firsthand just how magnificent this country is and what a terrific race the Tour of New Zealand is. Get your entries in quick, don't miss out, and we'll see you in 2017.